So in this tutorial, I want to show how to switch your creator or business account to a private account. So the first thing you need to do, go to the setting and privacy, click three line on the top right corner, and then you will see when you change the private account privacy, and then click private account, they said switch to private. So to fix that, you need to go to the business tool and control, and a little bit scroll down, and then you need to click switch account type, and you need to switch to personal account, and change that, switch to personal account. After that, when you go to the account privacy, click private account, switch private account. Now you can change your account to private account. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.